In this episode, a man wears a tutu. We make a U-turn in a car park. We go to Pipi Kaka Land looking for a bridge, which turns out to be a dam. Damn! Okay, there's an accident.
Oh no.
Oh man. A biker.
That's not what you want to see. Just everyone on the road this weekend, stay safe.
Just another reminder that every time we're on the road, it could be our last ride. So stay safe out there, guys, and appreciate every moment, appreciate every ride, and never get immune to the beauty. Because one day, it all ends for all of us. But not today. Today, we're gonna ride. We're gonna ride because we love to ride. And we're gonna go to beautiful places, meet beautiful people, and forget about our lives just for a few minutes. Forget about the hardships we go through. Forget about the bills to pay. Forget about the things that bring us down. Let's just have fun. Good, clean fun. Because today, we're alive. We're alive. We're alive. And we're lost.
Are you sure this is the place?
Actually, it was the place.
I'm not really sure.
And whilst I was looking for a bridge, what we were actually looking for was a dam. And that was the dam. And we passed it. Now, to make matters worse, Judy forgot to turn on mobile data before she left the house. So obviously, Google Maps didn't know what to do in the moment.
Yeah, it's telling me to go this way.
And so we decided to just keep riding on and seeing if we could find it further down the road. But after a lot of riding in the wrong direction, my stomach started to growl and I started to get hangry.
Do you want to check out that Hof?
This one.
Do you want to stop?
Why not? We're both hungry.
It says Lust auf ein Bier und Party.
Sounds good.
Here.
Let's go check it out.
Alright, then let's go find a parking spot inside. Okay, we can park there.
I think that's the thing. Oh, never mind.
So guys, we decided to stop at this really cool cafe, which has a real cool vibe right here in the Black Forest. And we're really happy we did because I got real hungry and I wanted to stop for a pizza. But check out this place, it's just so amazing. So there at the back we have a stage. We have some tents. We have a nice place for kids to play. And that's where we're sitting. And just as I had decided to take in the sights and sounds and the beauty of the place and capture the vibe, Judy was sitting down to play
Bingo!
Wie Gustav, 47. Ja!
But B wasn't even mentioned yet, so. So spannend.
Also, sächsisch O, wir bleiben beim O 62.
Hey! We're cruising through this.
I20.
I think you can win a cow. We had to settle for second prize with 4 in a row, and the second prize was a Schnapspraline, which I'm gonna just nibble on a little bit because it's still quite a ride, and I don't know whether we'll have any more luck finding this dam if we're a bit tipsy. We're leaving this place with a bit of a heavy heart. Amazing place called Zum Wilden Michel. It's near Furtwangen in the Black Forest. It's got great food and it's run by a really cool bunch of people. They have an open mic night on the first Friday of each month. All these things we just found out. But we're gonna go back on the road because we still haven't found that damn dam. So, to the bikes.
Very nice. Okay. Onwards and forwards, let's find this damn dam.
Yo, let's go. Ride through the black fog, rest and shit. You know, I'm just taking it slow. My wife don't know how to go fast, so I just chill with my girl and my bike, and we driving through the Black Forest, right? Yeah. Now I was thinking, go to this dam, but I said, damn, what we gonna do? Damn. Yeah, I got no idea, but I tell you what, it's a problem to solve. And let me just free flow on the mic, cause I'm recording in DaVinci Resolve. You serious? Yeah, like a attack. But you don't worry, baby, cause I got your back. I protect you and facts are facts. Let's get on this tiger and make them tracks.
So guys, we made it. We are here. And what's mind-blowing is just look at the size of it. Look at the size of it. It looks tiny on that Facebook post. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna stand in front of it and take that shot. My goodness. Gee. Okay. Motorcycle boots are not hiking boots. Okay. There's some public awareness. We'll take it home and study it. Oh.
Okay, where?
All the way down.
No.
Yes.
No, we're not going all the way down.
Yes, we're going. Otherwise, you lose the challenge.
Fatality.
We can't do this. We have to walk on the grass to get more traction here.
Yeah. No traction control here.
How are we gonna get back up?
Walking. Here, there's a path here. We made it!
Finally in the right place.
Ta-da! And look at the magnitude.
Oh hell, we have to climb all the way back up. That bloody sucks. Bikers are not supposed to walk. We ride. We don't climb up mountains and shit. Look at that.
Especially in warm jackets.
Yeah. Biking gear, camera gear. Oh, bollocks. I'm not fit enough to do this. Alright, we made it back up. And now we're going back to the bikes. The comfort of our nice adventure bikes is amazing. Lovely.
Where to next, boss?
Home, Hobbs.